Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamatamang. Today I bring for you all ramen soup recipe. Please watch video until the end and follow the instruction and ingredients. Enjoy with your family friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ तपाईहरु सबैलाई। आज भने मैले तपाईहरु माझमा मैले रेमन सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आइसकेको छु भने यो एकदमै हेल्दी सुप पनि छ र एकदमै लाइट सुप पनि हो भने तपाईहरुले आफ्नो फ्यामिली फ्रेन्ड्सहरुसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। A simply yet flavorful ramen soup recipe, Japanese inspired, quick enough for weeknights, but still satisfying and customizable. Ramen soup, soya or miso base. Ingredients: broth base, choose one. Soya sauce, sayo ramen, 3 cups chicken or vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Miso base, miso ramen, 3 cups chicken or vegetable stock, 2 tablespoon miso paste, white or red, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Another broth ingredients, both virgin, 1 cloves garlic mince, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger grated, 1 tablespoon mirin optional, adds sweetness. Noodles and topping, 2 block fresh or instant ramen noodles without seasoning packet. Soft boiled eggs, 6 minute boil, jimmy yolk, sliced cooked chicken, pork or tofu, vegetables, bok choy, spinach, mushroom and corn. Garnish, chopped green onions, nori, shallot, chili oil. Instruction, prepare the broth. Heat the sesame oil in a pot over medium heat, add garlic and ginger saute for 30 seconds. For soya base, stir in soya sauce and mirin, then add stock. For miso base, add stock first, then dissolve miso paste in a small bowl with hot broth before stirring it back in. Simmer. Let it broth simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes to allow flavor to blend. Cook and noodles. In a separate pot, cook ramen noodles according to the packet direction, drain and set aside. 4. Prepare topping. Soft boiled eggs, blanch vegetable and slice any protein you are using. Assemble. Divide noodle into balls. Arrange toppings, then pour hot broth over everything. Garnish with greens, onions, nori and drizzle of chili oil if desired. Tips: for a richer broth, add a spoon of butter, common in miso ramen. Slice meat very thinly so it's warm throat in the hot broth. For a spicier kick, add Bujong Korean chili paste or Ryu Japanese chili oil. Thank you very much everyone watching my video. Please always do visit my profile, have a look, many more recipes are there and enjoy with your family friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई रेसिपी हेरिदिनु भएकोमा र सबैजनालाई मैले भन्ने गरेको छु रेसिपीलाई जहिले पनि फलो गर्दा आफ्नोपन देखाएर फलो गर्नु होला र तपाईहरुले सजिलैसँग राम्रोसँग इन्जोय गर्नु होला भन्न चाहे। स्वस्थ रहनुस्, मस्त रहनुस्, व्यस्त रहनुस्, जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ र खुसी रहनुस्। अलवेज जिन्दगीलाई ह्याप्पी के साथ जिउनु होला। See you next in the video. Thank you very much. Love you all.